Observe the fuel gauge. This General Motors vehicle shows an indicated reading of slightly above 1/2 tank. Consult the factory service manual for the specifications, wire color, and recommended test procedure. From the service manual, the connector for the fuel gauge sending unit was located under the vehicle near the rear. A visual inspection indicated that the electrical wiring and the connector were not damaged or corroded. To test the resistance of the sending or tank unit, use a digital multimeter and select ohms. Following the schematic in the service manual, the sending unit resistance can be measured between the pink and black wires in the connector. The meter displays 50 ohms. This is slightly above the middle of the normal resistance value for the vehicle, somewhere between 0 ohms empty and 90 ohms full. To check to see if the dash unit can move, the connector is unplugged with the ignition key on, engine off. As the connector is disconnected, the needle of the dash unit moves toward full. After a couple of seconds, the needle disappears above the full reading. The open connector represented infinite ohms, and normal maximum reading occurs when the tank unit reads 90 ohms. If the technician does not realize that the needle could disappear, an incorrect diagnosis could be made. To check to see if the dash unit is capable of reading empty, a fused jumper wire is connected between the signal wire at the dash end of the connector and a good chassis ground. A check of the dash unit indicates that the needle does accurately read empty. After testing, reconnect the electrical connectors and verify for proper operation of the fuel level gauge.